Guys, this weekend at the new Montgomery County Fairgrounds, shop the streets with Mistletoe Magic. Something for everyone on your gift list. Admission is $6. Children under 12 and parking are free. Mistletoe Magic. Enjoy deals.
That one's big.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that one.
Yes. 15 feet tall.
Here, you want us to get out too? Wait. In our normal Christmas tree place. I'm trying to hurry. I want to see the tree. She wants to see a tree because it's about to disappear. Let's look. Wait, I'm locked in. Oh my gosh. Okay, just we're trying to find a tree. Mother. What? This is so. Just trying to help you here. Huh? Where's that one at? Is there like no dogs here? I'm afraid of dogs. Where's the fat one that we passed?
They're all short.
Huh?
They're all short. These are only 6 feet.
Oh, look at that.
That's one of the fattest. That one's the fattest one of those.
Look at these. I think they're perfect. I think that one's perfect.
It'll be short.
It ain't short.
It will be once it's cut down and trimmed.
Well, I mean, that's the tallest one. I love the shape of them. I think it's perfect.
It don't matter to me. It's a small tree though.
Huh?
It's a small tree though.
Well, I mean, what are our options out here?
That one we already picked out of this.
Huh?
The one we already picked out of this.
I like this one. I even like that little one. But I like that one. Let's get that one. Do you like that one?
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Oh, look how pretty that one is.
What about that one down there?
Where?
That one is more thicker.
Where? Yeah, but it's kind of weirdly shaped on the side.
That one's down there.
Oh, let's get that poor little tiny tree. Oh, look at that one. The one next one. The one down from that. Where?
Straight ahead.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I don't know. I kind of feel that one right there.
Right in front of you.
Yeah.
You like that one? Why don't you back the truck up? Which one do we like? Do we like that one? Oh, look how pretty this one is. Look how perfect that one is.
Well, they shape them.
Huh?
They're just not full yet. They shape them. That'd be a nice tree when it's 12 feet tall.
This one's a little bit fatter. Look at that one. That one's pretty too. Look at that one. It's cold out here. Man, you have to go get it. All right, guys. No, that one's got some kind of disease process.
From something leave it alone. Too skinny. This one's a nice shape.
It is fatter at the bottom, but I don't know. I think we should go with the one that we picked first. Oh my God, it's so cold out here. Oh, damn, I'm falling. It's going sideways. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Yeah, just break it like a Kit Kat bar. That's what I'm talking about. Hand me that wallet and that knife, because I'm gonna jack somebody in a minute. Get down there. Let's see what you got.
A tree?
Oh, get back. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Let him go hold it. It's going to fall on him. My hands are freezing. We're on the stem. Just don't let it fall on him. Come on, use those muscles. My hands are frozen. Oh. Oh my God, guys, today is Friday and it's the day before my big family Christmas gathering, which we're gonna have on Saturday, and I have so much to do, I don't even know where to start. This might be a good place to start, wouldn't you think? Alright, so I bought these little tins, like I have bought before. I made my pumpkin chocolate chip loaf in these tins. You get 2 of them for about $2, about $1 a piece at your local either dollar store. Actually, at the dollar store, I could have got the ones that were like had Christmassy stuff on them. I got these at Walmart yesterday. Now, today I'm making different types of bread because I'm making bread for, or loaves, the delicious loaves for all of the ladies that are going to be here, the ladies at the house that's going to be here tomorrow at my get-together. Now, I made the pumpkin pie spice before, and here I'm making a cherry loaf. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So I decided to do like a Black Forest loaf pan, whatever you want to call it, loaf. And this is going to be so delicious. It's like a bread. You know the sweet breads that you can have with your coffee or just any time. They're good. They're delicious. I'm going to fill this up about 3/4 of the way so to get nice and big. Alright guys, this is what the first 3 loaves look like. This is the cherry with the chocolate chips in it, and I've got the pumpkin in the oven right now. Okay, now that we got the bread in the oven, the loaves in the oven, I am going to start on my pulled pork. I'm going to put this big, gigantic piece of meat in my crock pot. I am going to season this with some onion powder, some garlic salt, a little bit of the minced onions, and some of my very own In the Kitchen with Sandy signature seasoning. You can go to my Facebook page, In the Kitchen with Sandy. Don't go to the cooking group. Go to my actual page, In the Kitchen with Sandy, and you can order this. And right now I have this on sale for, I believe, $7 a jar. This is absolutely phenomenal. I want you to look at that. I worked really hard at making the labels for that. And it is going like hotcakes. It is absolutely delicious, and you are going to love it. So get on there and get order you some, but I'm going to season this really well. I like my meat to be seasoned. We're going to put lots of garlic on it. I'm going to make a homemade barbecue sauce for this. And we're going to put some onion powder on it. And this is going to just, it's going to cook so nicely. And then we're going to put some of my signature blend. Oh, I wish you could smell that. Oh, I wish you could smell that. This has all the right ingredients that come together to make anything that you want to create. Absolutely phenomenal. Look at that. Let's put a little bit of black pepper as well. Oh, I meant to buy some pepper corns yesterday, but I forgot. Oh, I totally forgot. I went to Walmart yesterday. We're going to season the other side too. Even though that's the fat side, that's okay. All those delicious seasonings are going to drip right down into that pan. And it is going to season this meat deliciously. Some more onion powder. And you know, this is a good big piece of meat. I don't really know how. I think this is probably at least 10 pounds. Season it really well. I don't play now. I don't play when it comes to seasonings. I don't think you can ever season anything. And some of my signature blend. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. You know, you could even use this like as a rub. This goes fantastic on chicken, pork, beef, steak, anything. I put this on everything, every type of meat that I make. Now, let's just see if this big sucker goes right down in the crock pot. Oh my goodness. It fit! It fit! Look, it barely fit. And I am going to add a little bit of onion flakes on this as well. I'm going to add just a little tiny bit of water. Not a whole lot, because it is going to, all that fat is going to render a lot of juice. A lot of juice. So we're probably going to put about a cup of water in there just to get it started. And then I am going to put this in my crock pot, put the pot in the crock, and we're going to get started. Alright, let me show you what I've got going on right here. I have made 8 loaves of some fantastic bread. Look, there's my breakfast bag of Funyuns. And right now I am in the process of making a huge batch. That's one of those biggest bowls I've got of barbecue sauce. My pulled pork is done. It cooked for, oh God, forever, and it is so fork tender. I can't wait to show it to you. But I'm doing these little mason jars here with some of my barbecue sauce. I'm going to show you the lids here. Let me show you the lids. Look at this. My house is like a flippin' mess. Isn't it crazy? It's not crazy, it's a picture. Everything is off the chain. But I want you to look at these lids that are going to go right on top. Look at that. Little mason jars, and I'm going to put a nice little bow, not a bow, but a ribbon right around it. And I'm filling it up with my homemade barbecue sauce. They love homemade barbecue sauce. So, that's what's going on for now. Alright, I want you to look at my sangria that I made. You can get this recipe here on my channel as well. This is absolutely amazing. This is the non-alcoholic version. Like I told you, I bought wine for all of us alcoholics here. This is just cranberry juice, orange juice, club soda, and some country thyme and lemonade. Look at that. It is absolutely amazing. We are getting ready to do our holiday thing. Look at this. It's like set up here. Look how pretty my mantle is. Got some tables set up here. Look at my Santa Claus I got from the dollar store. So super proud of that. And there's Brandon. And I hope you enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you next time. Bye.